Halo guys, kembali lagi dari Vlogkids Gamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This game called Gunfight Arena. I'm pro at this game, so what's that one? First of all, okay. So I have to play this game before. I usually use this. Yeah, this gun. Oh. Where's the exit? Oh, okay. Where's the person? Oh, from the back circle. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, if you want to add me, just search up Davin Salim 36. That's my username. Okay, guys. I like, bro. Let me use my knife. Where's you? After this, I want to change my weapon. I'm going to use my best weapon. Where's my best weapon? Where is my best weapon? Oh, this is my best weapon. Seems like I have aimbot, but I don't use aimbot. Okay. Minigun time! Wow, I can... Oh, the minigun... What? His reaction skills is off the charts, man. What the... If you want to know my real name, that's let me go up. Nope, wrong way. Oh man. Okay. My secret technique. Where is the up? Oh, well, it is. Now how I get up there? nothing. Awful. Nice. Okay, I'm going to pick this one, okay? Okay. I'm going to buy another. Okay. Okay, go. Where's the enemy? What? Nice. Double kill. What? Get out. Bomb kill toe. Ooh. Bomb kill toe. Oh man, I have to use my knife. Just kidding. Oh man. Oh, sorry. Where is he? Haha. Oh my. Go to back to the place. How? Should I go back? Yeah. Ooh. Just for the luck, what did I get? Ooh. Nice. Oh, nuclear! Somebody already spawned a no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Aha. Hunter drone. Where's the hunter drone? Hunter drone. Oh yeah, man. Photo shoot. Oh my god. I have aimbot. Just what? Just aim to be fast, I shoot. Whoa. Oh. No. Stop wasting my bullet. Okay. Okay. Faster kill, faster win. I think they said. Oh, nice. One more kill. Ooh. Hey, yo. Hi. Why? Ooh, there's person up there. Oh, there's a in my team. Oh, oh my god! Yay, hunter drone! I killed myself with my hunter drone! Oh no! How this? Oh my god! Yeah, okay. Oh my god, she has auto shoot as well. Oh. Taco Bell. Okay. Oh, don't kill because I have a minigun now. My walk slow. Where's that from? Oh no, is that from the team? Oh, there is our team. How did they didn't know this? Okay. Shoot. Yeah. What happened to my... Wait. Nice. And shoot. How did the... Ooh, that person. Hello. Just in here and we win. What? Who's up there? Oh my god! I get it. Oh yeah, baby. Hello. Hey. Somebody snipe me earlier. Hunter drone. Oh, what? Wait. What is this? How much? Oh, I have 50. Okay, I buy this. But I get skip. Oh, I like that color. Actually, how to use the... Oh, here. Oh man, why use that? Supposed to use this. Block 40x or freedom. Oh my god, my gun is X-ray. Okay. Still have auto shoot. What in the world? Hi. Just sprint. the back. Stop, bro. Just mini jump time. Where's the people? I want to mini jump him. Look at all the people. Okay. Oh, this is real height. That's why I have to go to the height. I go to the left side. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. This is the end. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.